Good morning, students. Welcome back to the class. Today I am going to explain the topic entry routes of allergens. Entry routes of allergens. And we are already discussed about what is allergy, what is allergen, and the common symptoms of allergy and the common allergens. This type of topic we are already explained to you, and I hope all of you remember these points. Today, entry routes of allergen. So simply, the entry route means how that type of allergen, that means the allergy causing agent, how they enter to the body. If that enter to the body, what is the symptoms, what is the side effect, how they affect you, and which type of symptoms will show, and this type of information we will give you now. Okay, very simple topic. The first one, the allergens, sorry, entry routes of allergens. Okay, so these allergens, how they enter the body? Maybe that inhale during the inhalation. I hope all of you know this word inhalation. Okay, if the dust particles or pollen grains is a very lightweighted particles, during that inhalation time, this type of allergic substance or allergens enter the body during the inhalation or injection. Ingestion. What's the word ingestion? Intaking. Okay, intaking or that injection during the injection also. Otherwise, the applying the chemicals or applying the cosmetics over the body. According to this way, this type of chemicals enter chemicals means allergens enter the body. As a result, the body will be trying to that will show some of the symptoms. Okay, and it is not only that sometimes that bites, some of that poisonous things, poisonous bite, the scorpion or some other things, insect. Okay, this type of things also may be cause allergic reactions. So we can say that root of entry routes of the allergens, different type of allergic routes is given here only. I will explain one by one clearly. Okay, if any kind of allergic substances enter the body that start to provoke our body means the body is irritated. If the body is irritated, what happens? The body start to producing some different type of symptoms. That symptoms is also I will explain here. Let's see the first one. First entry route. Okay, the allergens that come in contact with the skin. Come in the contact with the skin. What is the meaning of this sentence? And the first root, allergens. Okay, allergy causing agent that come in contact with the skin. Contact with the skin. So that direct contact with the skin, they have one other name is also. One other name, that name is here contact dermatitis. What's the word mean? Contact dermatitis. So that the dust particles also inhale, that will be entered to the inside the body also. That type, if entering through the nose and nasal passage into the throat, into the respiratory tract, there will be show some different type of allergic reactions. Okay, if this contact dermatitis or in contact, this type of allergens come to in direct contact of the skin or the body, what type of symptoms? So if that coming or falling over the skin, so what happens? We are start to irritated, start to itching, and that itching time, what happened? That the body turned to red color. Okay, so I will show you some of the symptoms of this one. I will show you some symptoms. Okay, if that allergens enter the body in the skin, so that it turns to reddening of the skin. Reddening of the skin. What's the reddening of the skin? During that itching process or during that allergic reaction, we are start to itch. So that time that blood vessels become producing histamine substance. According to this histamine substance, what happens? That blood vessels become widening or swelling, like that type of reactions are done in the vessel. As a result, that skin turn to red. it is one of the symptoms of allergy. Okay. So next one, itching and the blisters is also formed. If we are continuously itching the one particular part of the body, the skin, so what happens? That running turn to form a blistering. Okay. The watery liquids formed over the skin, blister. Okay. That's the first one. If the allergens come in contact with the skin, this type of symptom will be shown. So that type of contact with the skin, we want to say the one other name. That name is called the contact dermatitis. Okay. Second one, the allergens that are in air. Allergens that are in air. Okay. So in the air, we are not able to see the allergic substance. It's a very small. Okay. So that's why it's very minute and very small. We are not able to see. So during that inhalation, or that in the help of the wind, that will come to fall over the body. Otherwise, that will be enter in the body also through the nose or through the mouth. Okay. So according to this, is that the pollen grains or dust particles, some other chemicals, some other things is also enter through the body, through the nose or through mouth. What happened? That start to itching inside the body. Inside the body means the nose and sometimes in the throat and the tongue and in the inside the mouth. Here is also start to itching and some other irritation start. So if you are taking this according to the concentration of this type of allergens, if the huge amount of dust or huge amount of allergic substance enter the body, what happen? Accordingly, the symptoms is also largely, that means heavily show the symptoms. So according to this allergens that are in the air, so that turn to some different issues or symptoms in the body. The first that attack our respiratory tract. So the first one is that enter through the nose and in nasal passage, then after the windpipe. So then after go to the lung side. Okay. So here is also infection and affected. So if in the infection in the throat or the bronchial side, so that turn to bronchitis. We want to face this type of problem also, bronchitis. Then after if the concentration is increased or this is a continually follow in our life, so that allergic reaction, so that problem turned to asthma. Asthma. I hope all of you know this word is a familiar one. That is blocking of our windpipe. If that windpipe is blocked, what happens? There is no proper. We are not able to breathe properly. That exchange of gas, exchange of that air is not possible because that passage become blocked. Okay. So that problem is called asthma problem. Asthma problem. Okay. Next, that is hair fever. So that if that this amount means the allergens are entering the body, that turn to some other problems or other symptoms and formed other diseases also, hair fever also formed in the body. Okay. The second one, allergens that are in the air. Okay. Allergens that are air, then also this type of problem. And next one, third one, allergens in food can enter the body through a mouth. I am already told to you. And next one is allergens in the food can enter the body through a mouth. So some of the food items are also causing that allergic reactions. So this is third entry route of allergen. Some food items also. Okay, some I'm already explained to you the milk and the egg, pumpkin. Some other food items also causing that allergic reaction. So this also enter in the body through a mouth. If this type of things is enter the mouth, what happens? This type of problems will be formed, and some symptoms, itching and swelling and other irritations also formed according to the third type through the mouth. Food items enter the body through a mouth. So according to this is formed hives or itchy pouches. What's one of hives? Hives means one of the reddening of the skin, and the other scaly appearance on the skin. This type of problems will also form. Okay. The fourth allergic route means for the entry route, that is allergens enter the body through bites and stings and injections, drugs. Okay. So some of the poisonous substance, poisonous animals, poisonous insects also bite or their sting also causing the allergic problem. And otherwise, some of the injections also should not suit and not good for the health, not good for the health. Okay, so according to this way, if this type of chemicals or this type of poisons enter the body, that particular area or particular body or particular region having affected. According to this, what happens? Some symptoms or allergic reactions start to show. So, first we want to know which substance or which allergens not suit for the body, not suit for our life. So, try to avoid that. If you cause for showing any kind of symptoms according to this entry routes or this type of substance, you first consult a doctor and take advice from the doctor. And mainly the precaution is important for the allergic reactions. Okay. And next one. So these are the main entry routes of allergens and entry routes of allergens. Okay. And all of you read the chapter carefully. And now I am going to conclude this topic. Okay, thank you.